Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again today. We have a really cute, quick, and simple fall 3D treat holder today. But before we get to that, I just want to remind you that I'm sending out my 12 Weeks of Christmas program only to my email subscribers. So I have a link below if you would like to join my email list. And we only have a couple days left of our starter kit special. So if you are interested in saving on product, getting to attend Stampin' Up! Events, and being part of our community, please let me know. I'd love to talk to you about it. Okay, so let me show you what we're gonna make. It's just this very cute little treat holder. Super simple to make. I bought these at Target. I know my Target is sold out, but it's Favorite Day Harvest Trail Mix, and I bought the variety pack, so it has two different trail mixes in it. It's got the Scarecrow Crunch and the Candy Corn Crunch. And I think there's 10 in a pack, but you can still get these online from Target. These would be great table favors for Thanksgiving. I'm going to use the Autumn Leaves bundle. I love this one. Okay, so we're going to start with a piece of pecan pie, and you could change the colors out to whatever you want to use. And this is 3 1/4 wide by 11 inches long. And we are going to score this. Let me get this turned around. We're going to score it at 4 1/2. You know what? I'm going to have to bring my arm out today. 4 1/2. 4 1/2 and 5 1/2. And then 10. All right, so 3 simple score lines, 4 1/2, 5 1/2, and 10. All right, let's fold on these score lines and burnish. Okay, that's it. I mean, now all we have to do is put our treat in it and decorate it. How easy was that? Pretty easy, I would say. Okay, I've got a piece of this plaid designer paper, and this is in the annual catalog. Let me look and see what it's called. It is the Glorious Gingham Designer Series paper. It comes in 5 colors, so I'm using the pecan pie, which worked out perfectly. So I'm going to take this 1 by 3 1/4 piece of designer paper and put it right on this flap. We've got a 1-inch flap right here. And then I'm going to decorate the front. So I have a piece of basic white. I cut a circle. I cut an extra one just in case. I use the Reach for the Stars dies, but you could use the 2 3/8 circle punch or whatever circle punch you have. And then I'm using this sentiment that says, "Autumn teaches us that change can be beautiful." I just think the font is great and it stamps so pretty. And I stamped it a little bit to the right. And then we're going to adhere this a little bit to the right on the front of our treat holder too, because we're going to put some leaves. I want to make sure I have plenty of room. I don't want to put it too high. Scooch it just a bit over to the right and adhere that down. And then I have die cut a couple of leaves. I've got one out of pumpkin pie and one out of crushed curry. And these are from the dies. I love these because you get 2 of the leaves too. So here we go. You get 2 of these leaves, 2 of the other smaller leaves, which is great because it cuts down on your die cutting time, which is always a plus. All right, let's pop these up. We'll just put a couple mini dimensionals. If you're using the regular size, you only need 1. But we're going to use the mini because that's what I have up here at the moment. All right, now I want to kind of overlap, have those coming out, maybe with my little stems overlapping right here at the end, because I'm going to use just a touch of liquid glue. You can also use use a glue dot, just kind of make it smaller. And I have some linen thread. We're just going to tie a cute little bow out of a piece of linen thread. Okay. So tie your bow, and then you can kind of adjust the size that you want it. Pull those tails down. Oh, that's not quite even. There we go. And I'm going to stick that bow right on that glue, and it's going to dry there nicely. And then let's grab our neutral sequins. I love these. I've gone through so many of them. I'm trying to find my pick tool, which I don't know where it went. So I'm going to use the copper. It comes with copper, bronze, gold, and silver. So I've used up all my copper in class. So I'm going to use my bronze here for this one. But gold would look pretty too. So I just added a couple of those. And next we are going to use our double-sided tape. I'm going to put just like 1/2 inch right here on top to hold it closed. And then I'm using the Scarecrow Crunch. And what I want it to do is when it falls open, I want it to look like that. So I'm putting my tear and tape across the bottom back of my little treats. Make sure it's on there good, and it makes it a little easier to peel off. Okay, now we have to adhere this to the front of our treat holder. We can't put it on the back. Trust me, it will not be, it won't stand up straight. It will just keep falling over. The gravity has to be up here near the front. For whatever reason, I don't know. So now we can remove that tape and get that tucked under there. Whoops, I need to move my, maybe not. I think I need to move this. I put that one up just a little too high. Let's close it up and see where it falls. I'm going to set this right here. I'm going to put it right down there. Okay, give that a press. You can also use a glue dot right there. And there you go. Isn't that a cute little table favor? If you wanted to put people's names right here instead of the DSP, you could do that. But it's just so cute. I love this. You could, Target sells this trail mix in different things. They have a s'mores trail mix. They had a monster one. They have occasionally different flavors. So just check your Target stores. Occasionally see what they have, but they should fit perfectly in here. They have this crunch in bigger, bigger quantities, but not in the individual packages, which is what I go for. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. We only have a couple more days on the October host code, which is listed below. And then with our next video on Thursday, we will have our November host code put up. So thanks for joining me. Please click subscribe if you haven't already done so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.